Hello friends, today we're going to check out the auto park of this Sinosmart system. Does it work? So my Nissan Qashqai has auto park. I don't really use it because parking yourself is that much easier. But as it is an option, people want to like to know if it is available, and yes it is. When I'm driving alongside this parking lot, I can select my rear gear and it switches automatically to the parking option right here. Select the forward gear. So I switch to the right option right now. And here I can even change the box a little bit. And there you go. So start. So drive forward. And there you are. Here as well, it's going to try to park right over there. So auto park is enabled. Found its space, stop, select reverse gear. It is safe to maneuver. And this is a spot I use a lot with my son to train his parking skills. And I have to say, it isn't the easiest space to park the car. And there you go, the car is parked. You can see why I prefer parking my car itself. I would have parked it way more over there, but still it managed to park the car between this small spot, the bushes. So yeah, good deal. The parking assist works perfectly. Great job, Sinosmart.